Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. So I am your teacher Priyanka Rajbhandari with a new chapter today from your book Math Magic. Okay, so I request you all to open your Math Magic book. So today, the day is Monday and it is 25th of October 2021. So let us see the thought for the day today. The thought says, when you know better, you do better. So obviously children, if you know better about anything, you can do that thing in a better manner. So when you know better, you do better. So you have to gain a lot of knowledge about anything you want to do. So in today's class children, we will practice Chapter 8, how many times? Okay, we will practice chapter 8, how many times, in which we will simply learn to multiply the things. So in today's class, we will do from page number 122 to 126. So let us first see what we are going to do today. So here, how many times we will count the legs of different insects and animals. Here we will find the number without counting, looking at the rows and column and by multiplying them. Here it's a practice time. You will learn to multiply and add the numbers. And here it's a word problem we will do today in today's class. And this will be the home assignment. How many times 2? You have to see the picture and you have to write how many times 2. That means 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. In this way you will do. So let us proceed to our class everyone. Get ready with your pencil, eraser and everything. Children, this is the first page of the chapter. So there are the name of the topic is leggy animals. There are 5 goats. How many legs together? So all together you can count 4. One goat has 4 legs. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. There are 5 goats. So you will count 5 times 4. That is equal to 20. Or you can simply write 5 into 4 is 20. Now next question, how many spiders? How many spiders children? You can see the picture. There are 3 spiders. So you can simply write 3. You can simply write 3 spiders. One spider has how many legs? You can count the leg. One spider has 6 legs. Yes, 6 legs. So here you will write 6. In all spider legs are 3 times. So there are 3 spider. So there are how many legs? 6 legs. So 3 times 6. So you can write 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. Or you can simply write 3 into 6 equals to 18. Yes, so you can find the legs of spider or any animals in 2 ways, either by adding their legs or by multiplying their legs. Now, do you know this leggy fellow? This is an octopus. It lives in the sea. It also has 8 legs. So, how many legs altogether do 5 octopuses have? So, you have to write one octopus has 8 legs, another 8, another 8, next octopus 8 and 8. So, altogether 8 plus 8 plus 8, they have 40 legs. Yes, 8 plus if you add it, it will be 40. So you will write 40 legs. Otherwise you can write 5 times 8 equals to 40. So 5 into 8 is 40. So in this way you will write the answer. 40. Okay, so hope this page is clear to you all. You can, from this page you can learn that if you have to add anything, you can add it directly or you can multiply the numbers. Now this one is find the number without counting. Now here we will find the numbers without counting. So you can see that how many flowers are in the flower bed. So it has 4 columns. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Yes, so you can write 4 times 6 flower. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals to 24, or you can write 4 into 6 are 24. In the same manner, we can count another way how many bottles are there. So we will count the bottle. We will count the rows of the bottle first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so 5 times this side 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 times 4. So how many bottles are there? 5 times 4 equals to, very good, it is equals to 20 bottles. Yes, 5 4s are 20. Now how many eggs? So it is, do you think it is making easier for you to count the things? Yes, so number of eggs, let us first count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this side. So we will write 5 times. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to count this last egg twice. Okay, from this side also, from this side. So 5 times 6 equals to 5 6 are, how many eggs are there? There are 30 eggs. So hope this is easier and hope you have understood this one. Yes. Now next children, it's a practice time. Same thing we will do looking at the question. 2 into 5 is 2 times 5 or 5 plus 5. Now we will do for 4 into 18. That is 4 times. 4 into 18 means 4 times 18. Or we will write 4 times 18. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4. So we are writing 4 times 18. Now 3 into 20 is, 3 means 3 into 20 means 3 times 20. So how many times you are going to write 20? You are going to write 23 times. So 20 plus 20 plus 20. So you have written 3 times 20. Yes. So in the same manner you can write 8 into 9. So 8 times 9, or you will write 9 8 times. So you will write 1 9, 2 9, 3 9, 4 5, 6 7, 8. So you have written 8 times 9. Now children, in the same manner we will do this also. 8 plus 8 plus 8. So there are 3 times 8. So you will write 3 times 8. 3 8s are 24. In the same manner, how many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s. So 5 into 3s are 15. So in the direct way also you can find the answer. This is one easier. So how many 30s are there? 3 30s. So 3 times 30, that is 3 into 30. If you multiply it, your answer will be 90. Next, how many 7s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 7. So 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. So 4 12s are there. So 4 into 12s are 48. Yes. Next, this last 4 you will do it yourself. It is very easy children. We have already completed multiplication. We have even done now division also. Yes, so this is easier for you. Now let us go to the word problem from this chapter. Ramu brought 4 packets of biscuits. So Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. How many biscuits does Ramu buy? So there are 4 packets of biscuit. And how many biscuits each packet has? Each packet is having 4 biscuits. So how many biscuits? 4 4s are, you will write 16 biscuits. You will write 16 biscuits. Okay. Next, there are 12 desks in a classroom. Each desk has 4 legs. So you have to multiply 12 into 4 to find the total number of legs. Yes, so 12 4s are 48. So how many legs does 12 desk has? 12 desk has 48 legs. Okay, so next Sabina brought home 3 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 4 flowers. How many flowers there are? So what you will do? You will multiply 3 times 4 because in each bunch there are 4 flowers and there are 3 bunches. So 3 4s are 12 flowers. So you will write 12 flowers. Next children, one rail coach has 8 wheels. How many wheels in all 6 coach are there in all? In 6 coaches. So you can find it by multiplying 8 with 6. So this you will do it yourself. Now children, this is your home assignment. As I have already told, it is very easy. You can see 3 has been done for you. So 4 times 2. Yes, 4 times 2. Here you can count 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Yes, otherwise you can simply do 4 times 2 is 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So in the same manner you can count 5 times 2 is 5 2s are 10. So 5 2s are 10. So in this way you will do this home assignment. You will do this all by yourself. Okay. So hope whatever you have done in the class is clear. If you have any doubt, you can directly message me in my WhatsApp number. So I will see you in the next class with the same chapter but on another topic. So thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy.